Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your TikTok account into private from your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. If you turn your TikTok account into private, except your friends and following list, nobody will be able to access it unlike your account is in public. So, to do that, all you gotta do is click on your profile button, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and click on Settings. After that, you'll be redirected to the setting page. All you gotta do is click on this Manage Account, and under Manage Account there is Privacy. And under Privacy there is Discoverability and Private Account. All you gotta do is click on this checkbox to make your account private. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.